We got the Thousand Hills Farm 250 ready to rock and roll, folks. Let's check her out. Like I said, our 250 on the off-road package. Got the big upgraded wheels and tires, stainless steel shelf. She's got it all. Bronze wheels go great with this custom green paint job we got going on here. Like I mentioned, stainless steel shelf. Got the TMG Pits tell-truth thermometer there with the eyebrows on top. Now guys, on the 250, the counterweight is an option. It's not necessary, but it sure does make it easy to open those doors. We got 2 side and top racks, 3 grates on the bottom. Bottom grates are removable. We got a 1.5-inch ball valve grease drain up there as well. Up there, down there, you wouldn't want it up there. Fold down stack, that's standard on every tank smoker we build. Come around the firebox here. We've got that custom stainless steel logo on the side. Guys, we do not fool around with our fireboxes here at TMG. Fully insulated, the door's insulated, front of it's insulated as well. Holds heat great, not gonna rust up on you or rust out. D-ring tie downs, 1 on each corner, makes it easy to strap down on a trailer. That's it for this rig, folks. Y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.